Wow, would you look at that? I found a perfectly good badminton racket for the kids, or so I thought, until of course I lifted the thing and it's like this, obviously broken there. And then I thought, what kind of heartless, brainless person would even attempt to repair something like this with, what kind of tape is this? Something out of a first aid kit. So, if you're familiar with splinting, even a straight piece of broken fiberglass arrow, this used to be, it's broken but it's straight. So even if you try to splint the two of them together somehow, you would be better off, but taping it will definitely accomplish absolutely nothing. Let's see what's underneath. Probably not a whole lot. Yeah, let's break it. Yeah, nothing. It's all... yeah. The tape is old. The tape doesn't want to come easily apart. And yeah, it's thoroughly garbage. I'm just amazed that sometimes people would attempt to make it better with something like this. Alright, garbage it is entirely.